Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a chit chat update video. So I thought I would crochet as I am chatting. Let me know if you like this format. And without further ado, I'm just going to jump into the update. So before I jump into the update, I just wanted to say this is a future vintage crochet shawl I'm crocheting at the moment and I love it. It's so pretty and it features, as you can see, the C2C shawl stitch. So the C2C stitch, and I hope you enjoy watching me crochet while I chat to you. So yes, going forward with my channel, I have decided to go back to my once a week video tutorial and free pattern, and I will probably be doing some chit chatty videos or hauls. I will be filming a haul actually at the end of this video, so don't forget to watch till the end of the video for my little haul. I went to a little shop, actually a big yarn shop here in the UK. It's kind of like a Hobby Lobby. It's called Hobby Crafts, and I went with my little boy, and yes, I made lots of lovely purchases. So anyways, back to my update. So yes, so I'm going back to filming one tutorial and one free pattern a week because I want to focus on quality versus quantity. Excuse me. So that's what I want to do, and something else I've been convicted of doing is to go back to my vintage crochet series. That's what I really loved to do when I first began my channel, and I feel like over the years I've been doing less and less vintage crochet, and I don't know, I've been convicted over the weekend to mainly do vintage crochet patterns. So let me know in the comments if you are excited about that. I love your feedback, so even if you are not happy, let me know in the comments, because I just want to make you, my audience, happy. And so yes, I'm very open to feedback, so please do let me know, and I'm definitely going to be doing more vintage crochet, more shawls. And actually I was convicted of this over the weekend, and then yesterday a lovely lady from the US commented. If you are watching this, by the way, thank you so much for your wonderful comments on Instagram last night. It really means the world to me. And this lovely lady commented on my pictures on Instagram and said that she just loved the vintage crochet series and she loved my shawls and wraps, and it just seemed like confirmation to me. Yes. And so thank you, and please don't hesitate to leave comments. And I'm not saying this for the algorithm, because I just like knowing what you like, and I am very open to suggestions. And what I love to do, what I love to crochet, is feminine crochet patterns and vintage crochet patterns. So I'm definitely going to be focusing on shawls and just feminine projects. I'm thinking of making some hair bows and crochet berets, but mainly vintage crochet, if not all vintage crochet. I'm not sure yet, we'll see how it goes. But I am very excited about that, and on Thursday I'll be dropping a new vintage crochet shawl. I'm very excited about that, and the week after that I will be releasing another vintage crochet shawl, which will be inspired by the American Civil War. So indeed, I have looked at pictures of shawls and wraps that were trending, so to speak, during the American Civil War, and I have just designed a little crochet, well, a large crochet shawl actually. So I'm very excited, and that will be available in a couple of weeks. And so let me know what you think about this channel update. I definitely think that quality versus quantity is much better. I will be probably releasing some chit-chatty videos, and let me know if you enjoy those. Actually, let me know in the comments. I really enjoy filming them, and I love chatting to you. I love connecting with you. Let me know if you ever want me to do a Q&A. I would love to do that. I might even film a my crochet stash, my crochet organization. I might film that, but I feel a lot of peace about this new decision. So let me know what you think, and let me know what kind of projects you would be excited about. I'm also working on a French early 20th century shawl. So that is in the works. And yes, I'm very excited. So I might even do a vintage man scarf very soon. And that's the problem with me. I have so many ideas and I don't have enough time to film them and put them on YouTube at the moment. So I'm definitely full of ideas. I love crocheting. I love, yes, just crocheting, and I love sharing, most importantly. So yes, I'm very excited about that. And once I finish this little update, I will be sharing it with you, my haul, what I bought last week. So I'm very excited about that. And let me know in the comments which yarns you favor at the moment. This is a lovely yarn I'm working with at the moment. This is it, and it's a huge ball, and it's a mohair yarn, and I just love it so much. It's so pretty, it's so soft, and the color's so beautiful. I did buy it from a British online retailer called the Knitting Network. This isn't sponsored. This is just because I love that online shop. I don't know if they deliver abroad. I do think they have international shipping actually. I think I have seen that. So make sure to check that website out, the Knitting Network. But in any case, I think this yarn is available on Amazon, on Amazon US, and I think Amazon UK, and it is called on Amazon what I would pronounce it Alize, and it's ALIZE, and I would pronounce it Alize myself. Maybe it's not pronounced that way, I'm not sure, but they do lots of beautiful mohair yarns, and yes, I love this yarn. But anyways, let me know in the comments what you think of this update. Another little update is that I will probably be hosting a giveaway. Well, I will be hosting a giveaway either next week or the week after, so watch this space. I will be hosting it on YouTube, and it's going to be a super fun giveaway just to thank all of you for your support over the years. I really appreciate it, and I just love hearing your feedback. And also, I know a lot of my audience is in the US, So I just wanted to say, if you live in the southern states of the USA, my heart goes out to you. I have been praying for you through these hurricanes, and yes, I think it's just been really devastating and very, very, very hard. So I'm very sorry this has happened, and you have been in my thoughts and in my prayers, yeah, since last week, well, since it all began a few weeks ago. So let me know if you live in the southern parts of the US, how you are, and I'll just show you my haul now. I hope you enjoyed this little update. Let me know what you think in the comments. And yes, let me know, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Okay, so this is my little haul. And so this is what I bought from this shop last week, and I absolutely adore this yarn particularly. So I'm gonna try and show you as best I can on camera. And this is called Double Knitting by James C. Brett. It's 100 grams and it's a really big ball of yarn. I think that with under 2 skeins of this yarn, I am going to be making a very large shawl, so I'm very happy. And it was really a very good price. It was £4 per ball of yarn, and so that means that with a ball and a half, I'll be making a large shawl, which I think is really good. And this is by James C. Brett, and it's color SH03, and it's a lovely little variegated yarn, and it's 600 yards, 80% acrylic, 20% wool, and it's so pretty. I love it, and I think you might be able to get it on Love Crafts in the US, because I know they do make they do James C. Brett yarns. So this, I bought this yarn too. I bought 2 balls of this yarn, but I've already started using one, and this is Wendy's Supreme DK. It's a very basic but lovely 100% acrylic yarn, and it's shade cream. It's a DK light 3 yarn, and to be completely honest, this is very, very similar to Bernat Softy Baby DK, so it's very similar. And I love cream yarns because I do a lot of borders with cream yarn, so I always like to have that around. I bought this skein of yarn. I'm not really sure why. It's called Knitcraft, and it's Everyday Aran. It's a mustard shade, and once again, this is 100% acrylic, and it's a very basic, however lovely yarn. It's very similar to a basic Aran weight yarn, so very similar to paint box yarns and that type of yarn, and it's lovely. I just loved the color, and I thought I might do something with this because of the autumn season. I really liked this shade. I bought this, which is again by this brand, Knitcraft, and I think that's a basic yarn by Hobbycraft, and it's Everyday Chunky. Once again, it's 100% acrylic, and it's very similar to any basic acrylic yarn. It's very soft and lovely, and it's a chunky weight yarn, and it's a very bright orange. And the reason I got that was because my little boy wanted me to buy it so I could make him a hat with this color. He loves bright colors. So I also bought these, which have already been open, as you can see. These are just basic wooden shape sticks for my little boy. We will be decorating them, and it features like angels and hearts and things like that. I did buy this lovely satin ribbon. It's really lovely. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with it, but it was on sale for £1. And I thought that was a really good deal. And I also bought this pink ribbon and I love this. So this is everything that I got in this haul. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.